Hello. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Angie, and today I'm going to be showing you a really cool makeup idea for Halloween, considering it's spooky season, and I love spooky season. As you can see, my eyes might look really dark at the moment. It's because I'm running on 0 hours of sleep. Love that for me. And basically today I'm going to be showing you a cut up basic kind of look if you're just going out trick-or-treating, you don't want none of your stuff falling off and you don't want to feel like you can't move. So this is just a basic thing that you can do some cuts and wounds on you, and a really cool thing to show your friends. If you enjoy Halloween and you love scary things, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what you are going to be for Halloween. So here we go. So to start off with this look, we are going to continue using our foundation. My foundation is the Better Skin foundation. It looks a bit crusty at the moment, and that's because it was spilt when I was on holidays. But we are going to use it anyway, and we're just going to apply that to our whole face. Okay, that is my foundation done, and it's okay if it doesn't look too good. I know my foundation doesn't look too good right now, but that is good considering it is Halloween and nothing has to look good. In fact, it kind of has to look the opposite. Next, I'm going to use my Fit Me Smooth and Set foundation in 220 Natural Beige. Do 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 do. So there is that, and next we were just going to go ahead and we're going to do the scary part to this. We are just going to use a little bit of these cotton balls, and I'm going to apply it to this top part of my face, I think just around here on the side. And to do this, I'm going to be using PVA glue. Now, I advise that you guys really do not use it at home. Probably use more like face glue, you know, the ones you can get, like latex glue. But I could not find that, so I'm using the one that will probably hurt my skin. Don't do that. Cool? Cool. I'm going to roll this up into like a little ball kind of shape. And we're just going to apply it right here on our skin. Obviously this doesn't look very real right now, but that is why we have the power of foundation. Now we're going to cover this back in foundation, making it blend in with the skin, just like a bump on the skin. We're caking our face today, and I'm ruining my makeup thing. And next we're going to cut a little hole in between it. So to do this carefully, or if you want, even get an adult to help you. And now if during this process a bit of the end bits start to come off, that's okay, just add a little bit more foundation to that area, or even some glue. Right there, we're just going to dig in and make it look more hollowed. Fake blood. I ended up getting this one from our local reject store, dollar store, and it is pretty good. It's a spray though, so if you guys don't want to get a spray, don't get a spray. Spray is probably messier. Oh my god, I'm scared. Wait. Oh shit. And it will look so good once you cover all the stuff. Oh. It looks so good when you just splatter the blood basically everywhere. Basically just do what you want. Like it's Halloween. You can like look as scary as you want. Now you might notice that as you do this, the cotton balls underneath will start to get really soft, which makes this bit even better. Shit. As you can see, we have that cut right there, and it looks so cool to me. I don't know if it looks cool to any of the rest of you, but to me, I really enjoy it. Making sure that's still really stuck down there, that would be really good. And next, we are going to be using our weird ass contour palette. You may have saw this in the video that me and my little sister Ivy did. And we're basically going to use this to make us look really dirty and crusty and dusty. You can add a bit to the size of your cut that you've done. Also at the end you can add even more blood once you're done. This is just like a starting pack basically. You just want to add that all around your face, making sure to definitely do it around the eye because it can look like a black eye and we love that for us. Ow, that one in my eye. Now that looks really cool, and for our next little bit we are just going to add the blood again. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if you love this video too. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye. Bye.